Whether you're developing a soft goods product or a hard goods product, a key determinant of your profitability is going to be the selection and the negotiation with your factory. Today, everyone's pretty much aware of Alibaba, right? And Alibaba's actually gotten a lot better over the last several years. Today, they're actually really good at helping you find a factory, helping you locate a product, order a sample for that product, and get a quote. Quotes and samples, Alibaba's pretty good. That is, if that's the exact product that you want. If you want to make any kind of change, let's say that you're making an insulated drinking cup and you want to put a handle on it. Good luck getting help from Alibaba in negotiating and working with the factory and defining exactly the specs for how that change is going to happen, which the factory needs. That is if you even are working with a factory, because on Alibaba, more than half of the listers or the suppliers are not actually factories at all. They're trading companies or resellers of other factory products. So if you want to make any kind of change to a product that you see on Alibaba, you got to make sure that you have the specifications really well developed before you start talking to the factory about making changes. Otherwise, those changes are going to end up being a mess. So the key here is that it's easy to find a factory on Alibaba, right? But can you find the right factory? Because you need to find a factory that can actually make changes to a product, that have engineers and designers on staff that can make that change. So it's not just an assembly factory or not just a trading company. Those companies can't make changes, and it's not that easy to find. Alibaba's not going to tell you who's who and who can do what and what their capabilities are. So at Gembah, we've spent the last 8 years building a unique network of factories globally, not just in China but other places, that we know can actually work with us and make changes and make those changes with great quality, so that you can build a supply chain that you can trust, which you should. Head to Gembah.com and see how we have built a supply chain with vetted factories that can make changes to your products with sustained quality. We'd love to talk to you.